Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing both devices. This is practical, not optional. Make sure your iPhone is updated, Bluetooth on, and Wi-Fi available. Charge the watch above 50% so the process won't stall. Once done, put the watch close to the phone, about 1 meter or less, and open the watch app. Tap Start Pairing. You do this first because pairing initiates secure handshakes. The app will show an animation to scan, so get ready to match what you see on both screens. Next, you scan or enter the code to authenticate the connection. This proves ownership and prevents accidental links. Use the iPhone camera to center the watch animation or type the 6-digit code shown on the watch. Then choose whether to set up as new or restore a backup from iCloud, restoring saved settings and apps. Sign into your Apple ID when prompted, accept terms, and decide on features like location and Siri. These choices control privacy, battery use, and how notifications behave. Finally, allow the watch to finish syncing. This may take several minutes while apps and data transfer. Once synced, customize watch settings. Set a passcode, enable Apple Pay, and tweak notification permissions so you only see what matters. Test by sending a message or playing audio. If something goes wrong, try the key troubleshooting step. Restart both the iPhone and watch, then retry pairing in the watch app. This clears minor Bluetooth errors and often fixes stuck connections.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.